This page is called Pancóga. Every time you hear a gap in the video, repeat back the sentence you've just heard. That will really help with your pronunciation.
Pancóga.
Có ábhar. Tá bainne, uisce, plúrbán, spúnóg salan agus tríhithe ag tastal. Feig duine fásta, measc an bainne agus an tuisce le chéile i grúscín. Chur an salan agus an plúr le chéile i mabhla. Bris na tríhithe isteach leis an blúr, measc le chéile iad. De réir a chéile, chur an bainne agus uisce leis. Measc le chéile na có ábhar ar fad, go dtí go bhfuil siad mín. Fág sa chuisneár é ar feadh uair a chloig. Chur an meascán sa fruchtán agus déan cócaireacht air. Bainigí tainneamh as na Pancóga.
Ceistena, ceiste hain, cad atá ag tastal. Ceiste dó, cadí céim a hain. Ceiste trí, cadí céim a dó. Ceiste cathair, cadí céim a cuaig. Ceiste cuaig, cadí céim a sé.
Okay, so Pancóga is of course pancakes. Co-ábhar are the ingredients. So what do we need? We need bainne, uisce, which is water, plúrbán, flour, spúnóg salán, a spoon of salt, agus tríhithe, and 3 eggs. Ag tastal at the end means needed. So they're the things that are needed. So off to céim a hain. Céim a hain. Feig duine fásta. Feig is the verb to get. Or feig, some people say. Get a duine fásta. Get a grown up, a grown person. And then measc is the verb to mix. Measc an bainne agus an tuisce. Mix the milk and the water, le chéile is together, I grúscín. Mix it into a grúscín, which is a jar. Okay, céim a dó. Chur an salán, put the salán, chur is the verb to put. Put the salt and the plúr and the flour. Again, there's le chéile, which means together. In mabhla, put them into a bowl. Céim a trí is a brish, the verb to brish. So brish is break. What do you break? Well, you brish na tríhithe, you break the 3 eggs. Isteach means into. In leis an blúr, into, in with the flour. And then measc again is the verb to mix. Measc le chéile iad, mix them together. Céim a 4 now, onto céim a 4, céim a cathair. De réir a chéile. De réir a chéile means little by little. So little by little, what do you do? You chur an bainne agus an uisce leis. Little by little, you put the milk and the water with it, with the flour and the salt and the eggs. Céim a cuaig. Measc le chéile. So there's the verb mix again. Measc le chéile, mix together the ingredients. Na co-ábhar ar fad. All the ingredients. Ar fad means all. Go dtí go bhfuil siad mín. You mix them until they are mean. Now mean means smooth. So mix them until they're smooth. And then what do you do next? Céim a sé. Fág. So fág is the verb to leave. So fág sna chuisneár é. So leave it in the fridge. Ar fá uair a chloig. So leave it in the fridge for uair a chloig, which is 1 hour. Okay? Céim a seacht. Chur an meascán. So chur means put. Put the mixture, the meascán, the mixture. Sa fruchtán. So where do you put it? You put it into the frying pan. A fruchtán is a frying pan. Agus Jane cócrocht air. And do some cooking on it. So basically you fry it, you cook it. And came a hooked, winnigi tatnav os na pancóga. Winnigi. So win is to take out enjoyment out of it. So you win tatnav os. You enjoy the pancakes. You take enjoyment out of the pancakes. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, and make sure to start the top of your work with Pancóga, Lahanach Ucto She, page 86. Question 1. Cad atá ag tastal. So what is ag tastal? What is needed? Of course, we'll start off with tá, because it says cad atá. We'll start off with tá. Tá banya, ishka, plúr bán, spúnog, salán, agus trí hiva, ag tastal. Well done. Question 2. Cad came a hain. So what is step 1? We're going to start off with is-i. Is-i came a hain, no, and then we're going to put it in. Fai dina fasta, agus mask an banya, agus an tishka, le céile I grúscín. Okay, so we can see down on the page that step 1 is to get it grown up and then mix the milk and the water together in the jar. Okay, question 3. Cad came a dough. Again, we're going to start off with is-i. Is-i came a dough. So came a dough is no cur on salon, put the salt agus an plúr le céile I maula, put them together in a bowl. Ceiste cahar. Question 4. Cad came a cuig. So what is step 5? And we'll start off with is-i came a cuig. No, mas le céile na co-over fad. Mix together all the ingredients. Gudi go bhfuil siad mean. Until they are mean, until they are smooth. And then ceiste cuig. Cad came a she. What is step 6? And we'll start off with is-i came a she. No, fágsa cuisnóir fa uair a clig. So leave it in the fridge for 1 hour. And that's all the answers. Make sure to put in your full stops and your capital letters and your fadas and all the words. The fadas over all the words.